Hello guys, this is the Medicos video for you. Today's topic is COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Definition: chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is a lung disease characterized by chronic obstruction of lung airways that interfere with normal breathing and is not fully reversible. COPD includes chronic bronchitis, emphysema, bronchial asthma, bronchiolitis and bronchiolithiasis. Goal staging for COPD. The volume in 1 second forced exhalation is called forced expiratory volume. The total exhaled breath is called forced vital capacity. People with normal lung function, FEV1 is at least 70% of FVC. And goal staging includes mild is less than 80 of FEV1, moderate is less than 60, severe is less than 50 and very severe is less than 30. Causes of COPD include smoking. Smoking is the primary risk factor. Secondary smoking is the cause of about 20% of cases. Women who smoke during pregnancy is a risk factor. Air pollution, occasional exposure, exposure of cadmium, isocyanate and silica dust. Next is genetics, alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. Other factors are birth weight, malnutrition, etc. Next is pathophysiology. COPD is a complex syndrome comprised of airway inflammation, mucociliary dysfunction, structural changes. Airway inflammation is inflammation of airway, lung tissue and pulmonary blood vessels due to inhaled irritants, causes the accumulation of neutrophil T lymphocyte B cells macrophages, which leads to the initiation of inflammatory cascade, thus release the inflammatory mediators, which leads to the tissue damage and inflammation. Next is mucociliary dysfunction. Inflammation causes enlargement of mucous gland that lines airways, causing globular cell metaplasia and replaced by more mucous cells, leads to accumulation of airways. Next is structural changes. Airway remodeling in COPD is the direct result of inflammatory response, which leads to narrowing of airways and obstruction of airways. Symptoms includes fatigue, use of axillary muscles, dyspnea, wheezing, clubbing. Diagnosis is spirometry, used in the dividing the gold standard severities, lung functional test, chest X-ray, blood gas test to compare the oxygen content in the blood. Treatment includes exercise, pulmonary rehabilitation program, pursued lip breathing, bronchodilators. Bronchodilators are beta-2 agonist and anticholinergics, which reduce the shortness of breath, wheeze and exercise limitation. Beta-2 agonists are salbutamol, terbutaline, which are short-acting, whereas long-acting are salmeterol, formoterol, which are long-acting. Anticholinergics are ipratropium and tiotropium. Corticosteroids are inhaled to treat exacerbations. Other medications are antibiotics such as microlids. Example, erythromycin is used to reduce frequency of exacerbations. Oxygen supplement is used. Next is surgery. Surgery includes lung transplantation or lung volume reduction surgery. Acute exacerbations are treated by using the short-acting bronchodilators. I hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe.